What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, we have something new, something fresh, like new evidence to the Senzo Meyiwa trial. And this is Advocate Defo saying that the gun that was used at the Kumalo house on Senzo Meyiwa, it belongs to Advocate Baloyi, is opposed to his initial assertions that that gun belonged to Chico Twala and was brought by Longwe. So he has shifted his position, and I'm wondering, like, what is this guy not thinking, but where is he coming from? Where is he getting all this that he is talking about? Because honestly, if you are to say something like that, you will have to back it up, with credible evidence. Because if you don't, you can get sued by Advocate Baloyi for tarnishing his name, bringing his name into disrepute, etc. Maybe Advocate therefore is what people have always been saying he is, because in the past, people were saying, don't listen to this guy. He does not know what he is talking about. Well, it turns out, that Advocate therefore is something else, really. But one thing is clear at the moment, that assertion that he made, that allegation, it does not help anyone in any way whatsoever. The only thing that it can do, if any, is bringing confusion to the general public, because there are some people who trust and believe in Advocate. Therefore, there are people who actually gave him money to support his family when he was in prison. So for him to be putting out those allegations like that, it's something really huge. But without backing it up, he would just be bringing confusion. At least that's how I see it. It's just bringing unnecessary confusion. I think it's best, if he follows the proper channels. But anyway, I'm not Advocate. Therefore, I'll catch you guys on the next one.